Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing about perfumes. Now, whether you're a worker or a student, you need to decide on which perfume you're going to use to smell fresh. Now, let's get to the video. Please, after this video, I plead you that you like and comment and share the video so that other people will know the kind of perfume they will use. Today, I'll be showing you tips on perfume to use in different occasions, whether you're going out, you're at home, date nights, and all. So let's get to the video. Now, what are perfumes? Perfumes are your signature, they are your scents. They leave a remarkable comment on people whenever you see them. So choosing a perfume might be a hard decision sometimes, so you have to be very careful on buying perfumes, especially from online vendors and online marketers. So now there are four types of perfume, which are perfume. These are long lasting perfume. Now that is number one. Then number two, there's aide de perfume, which lasts up to 6 to 9 hours. I don't know whether I can see it. Yeah, aide de perfume. This is an example of it. This is 24 hours perfume. Now third on my list is aide de Santere. These are perfumes that last up to 4 to 6 hours. Yeah, this is another example of aide de perfume, 24 hours. All right. Now we're talking about body sprays. In body sprays, we have so many different type of body sprays out there, but it depending on the one you choose. The one you choose, which can last a little bit longer. Body sprays doesn't last long, so it's just for the body mist. Yeah. So now we're going to talk about perfume and how scents work. Yeah. Perfume are made up of 3 layers. Yeah, 3 layers. First scent you smell, light, fresh, and mint. Middle note, the heart. Yeah. Base note, the deep. Now we're going to discuss on how to spray perfume. The type of person that sprays perfume anyhow, no, that is not how to spray it. Now spray on pulse points, because those are long lasting places. Now what are pulse points? Your arm, this place, yeah, these are pulse points. The back of your neck, yeah, this, yeah, back of your neck. Also, for longer wear, after shower, yeah, after shower, you can also spray perfume. Yeah, it aids in helping the perfume last longer on your body. Yeah, I have so many collection here which I'm gonna share. I have this, the new Musk. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, new Musk. Also, I have this 24K. Yeah. Also, I have this 24 hours. Now, these 3 perfumes, I got them from Jumia Nigeria, which I'm going to be sharing the link maybe, or you can search their website yourself and get yours. Jumia Nigeria sells cheap things, especially on Black Friday. Note, this is not a promotional video. This is just on the topic. Yeah. So now I'm going to be reviewing all the perfume I'm having here. The 24K, yeah, 24K perfume, they are just for men. Yeah, and they last longer. This 24K, yeah. Now, upness 24 hours. Yeah, 24 hours. This is my best perfume right now. 24 hours. They are the best selling in the market. Yeah. So the third on my list is New Musk. This is just a base perfume. Yeah, you can spray it maybe you're at home or a casual walk. It's not meant for occasion. Yeah. Yeah, extra tip, do not put your perfume under direct sunlight. It damages them. Yeah. Also, Original perfume tends to last longer. Yeah, if you buy a fake perfume, you will know that you bought a fake perfume. Yeah, and also do not overspray. Do not overspray. Just two sprays are enough. Also, yeah, do not overspray your perfume. Two sprays are enough. Okay, yeah. So um I made a short video. Yeah, I made a short video which went viral. But in the comment section, people were asking me that you didn't make a long video. We didn't really understand. So I decided to make this video, yeah, so that you guys will know the tips of perfume you should buy. So whether you're mid class, you're a rich person, or you're a student, you can decide on the perfume you decide to wear on your body. Yeah, especially when you want to go on an occasion. So I hope this video helps, and please like, subscribe to this channel. I will really appreciate that. Thank you, and see you on the next one. Yeah, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.